In an industry that never stops moving forward, only companies that choose to evolve truly endure. 35 years ago, PLASTGrommet took its first innovative step by developing plastic grommets based on advanced polymer combinations, creating a product that did not exist in the market. From that innovation, a complete range of solutions was born: hand presses, semi-automatic, and fully automatic grommeting machines, together with industrial automated finishing systems for banners and technical textiles. Today, our growth is reflected in a new logistics facility, an expanded metal machining area, and high-precision CNC machining centers and CNC turning lathes. We have incorporated next-generation plastic injection molding machines to improve efficiency and sustainability. And we have raised quality standards even further with machine vision systems that inspect every grommet, both plastic and metal, ensuring consistent quality and reliable performance. Our portfolio goes beyond finishing. Roll lifters that simplify heavy material handling, storage racks designed for safe organization, and specialized tools for the professional vinyl application sector. Behind every product, every machine, and every solution, there is a dedicated team focused on engineering, precision, and continuous improvement. As this year comes to a close, we would like to sincerely thank everyone who makes PLASTGrommet what it is today. Our people, our customers, our partners and suppliers, and the entire industry we are proud to be part of.